In ancient times, there was a plant considered sacred, used not only in cooking and in the medical field, but also to fight diseases and infections, as well as protect against plague epidemics. Its pungent smell also made it a precious amulet, so much so that during the Middle Ages, it was hung on the doors of houses to keep away demons, witches, and evil spirits. We are talking about garlic, a bulbous plant with long, thin leaves, native to the mountainous regions of Central Asia. Rich in vitamins, minerals, sulfur compounds, and antioxidants, garlic has numerous beneficial properties for health. But what are they? Let's go see them. Several scientific studies have shown that garlic plays a protective role against cardiovascular disease, thanks to its ability to positively influence several risk factors. According to a meta-analysis conducted by some Australian researchers, garlic supplements have the potential to lower blood pressure in hypertensive individuals, both systolic and diastolic. This effect is attributed to the presence of several active sulfur compounds in garlic, which increase the production of nitric oxide. This is a key molecule for cardiovascular health, as it promotes the relaxation and dilation of blood vessels, decreasing blood pressure. Garlic intake also helps regulate slightly elevated total and bad cholesterol levels, playing a protective role in atherosclerosis. Allicin in particular, a sulfur compound formed when garlic is chopped or crushed, has been shown to reduce the lipid content in arterial walls, thus helping to regulate the formation, progression, and stability of atherosclerotic plaques. Garlic also contains some sulfur compounds that have been shown to exert a hypoglycemic action to reduce blood sugar levels. Among the possible mechanisms involved, there is on the one hand the improvement of the hepatic metabolism of glucose, and on the other a greater efficiency in the use of insulin by the body. Garlic therefore helps to keep blood sugar levels under control and can improve insulin sensitivity, representing a valid natural support in the management of type 2 diabetes. Some studies had suggested that garlic and its compounds are able to reduce platelet aggregation, thus helping to reduce the risk of thrombosis and therefore the probability of myocardial infarction and other thromboembolic diseases. Garlic is therefore an excellent ally for the heart and cardiovascular health, as well as for the immune system. Antibacterial, antiviral, immunostimulant, and antifungal are some of the properties attributed to garlic, which also make it useful in supporting the immune defenses. This is because it has been shown to stimulate the activity of key cells such as macrophages, lymphocytes, and natural killer cells, thus improving the immune response against pathogens. Among the many other properties of garlic, we also find antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, hepatoprotective, and neuroprotective ones. Thanks to its active compounds, this food is able to neutralize free radicals in the body, protecting cells from oxidative stress and therefore slowing down cellular aging, as well as preventing some chronic diseases. Garlic also helps improve liver function as it stimulates those liver enzymes responsible for cleansing the body and therefore eliminating waste substances. A study conducted in 2024 by some Indian researchers highlighted that the biologically active substances present in garlic, such as allicin and allyl sulfide, have neuroprotective properties. These substances are able to counteract oxidative stress, reduce inflammatory processes at the brain level, and positively modulate the cellular signaling pathways involved in neuronal survival, suggesting a potential use of garlic as a support in the treatment of neurodegenerative diseases. In conclusion, we have seen that garlic has many beneficial properties and can be consumed as a food or as a supplement. It is important to remember, however, that excessive or incorrect consumption can cause unwanted effects, such as gastrointestinal disorders and interactions with certain drugs, particularly antiplatelet, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory drugs,